Here are we collectible looking at Budgie, not Buggy, Budgie models, made in England. Budgie Cruiser. Look at this gorgeous thing here, beautiful. Then we got a police car, I believe. Yeah, police car, made in England. Then we got this car, made in England. Reminds me of Leslie Matchbox, some of these cars. As you got the gorilla plastic wheels here, and this is the Budgie model, made in England. Volkswagen sedan, number 8 or 6. Can't really see it, but this thing is gorgeous. This car is nice too. Then we got this moving van, or removal van. Doors open on it. Pretty cool, isn't it? Then we got these. The side door opens, which is cool. Well, these are Budgie models, I'm not sure. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, let me know in the comments if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Well, here's the rundown what we have here. I hope you all enjoy watching my video. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.